Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The last session saw the euro drop 0.4% against the dollar. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The last session saw the pound fall 0.6% against the dollar. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The Aussie-dollar pair fell 0.6% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The Dow and S&P 500 edged lower, dragged down by investor worries over the timing of interest rate cuts by the Federal Reserve after stronger than expected manufacturing data pushed Treasury yields higher. Bitcoin fails to capitalize on its best ever monthly close, with BTC price support near $60,000 becoming increasingly important. Data tracked a problematic start to Q2, with BTC price losses passing 4.5%. Xiaomi is advising potential buyers of its SU7 electric sedan that they could face waits of 4 to 7 months, in a sign of strong demand for its first ever vehicle. The smartphone maker began taking orders on Thursday and said pre-orders hit 88,898 in the first 24 hours.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US factory orders will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The US JOLTS job openings at 1400 hours GMT. Germany's consumer price index at 1200 hours GMT. Germany's harmonized index of consumer prices will be released at 1200 hours GMT. Japan's 10Y bond auction at 0335 GMT. Australia's RBA meeting minutes at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.